Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I think to 10 time don't go. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good day, and may the peace of the Lord be with you anywhere you're watching this broadcast from. Please kindly do me a favor. Yes, Corey Toto, thank you for sharing. Thank you, my lady, my gallant lady, my mommy yo. Corey Toto, one of the universe. Corey Toto, one of UK. That is my mommy yo. I greet you, man. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. You understand? So it's just a quick one. There's a video I saw about 2 days, yesterday or today, I don't really remember anymore. You understand? So I saw this video and I cried. Why did I cry? Because the way some men, some guys used to deceive our women here in Europe is becoming unbearable. If you have wife and children back home, please kindly tell the one here that I get pikin, I get wife and pikin for Nigeria. Let the one here know. If she want to accept you, she will accept you for who you are, how you are. Not by deceiving them. Not by telling her, I don't have anybody at home, I don't have wife at home, I don't have children at home, just I'm single, I never born before, I'm just... No, guys. Let us stop deceiving our women. Let us stop deceiving ourselves. Let us stop it. It's not good. Let me tell you something. If you explain to the girl, that I have wife before, I get children before at home, if she want to love you, she will love you. If she want to accept you the way you are, she will accept you. But if she refuses to accept you, let her be. There are still some other young ladies, there are still some other women who are willing to love you, who are willing to be there for you, who are willing to accept you the way you are. There are still some ladies there. You understand? So why will you keep on deceiving our women here? Or because of maybe you need document or you need money? No, it is wrong. If you are a nobody, let the woman know that I'm a nobody. I don't have anything. I don't have document. I don't have work. I don't have anything. Please let us join our head together and build a brighter future. If the lady agrees, fine. If she say no, I'm not going to suffer with you, I don't want to suffer with any man, I beg, let her be and let her go. Let her go. We all have our future wife. We all have our future husband. Don't force yourself on any man. Don't force yourself on any woman. Yes. And you, that woman, let me tell you something. Most of you that normally say that you not tell me say if I get children for house, but now I don't know say if I get children for house, wetin I want do now, I be me and manager, me and they there, maybe with time he go forget about the children and the wife when he get for house. No, he not fit forget them. He cannot leave them. No, because if you as the woman here, you advise the man to abandon the children back home, to abandon the wife back home. Still have one thing in mind, that one day, when this man, when another woman will still grab this man, the other woman will still advise the man to leave you and your children for her. So you have to know that, okay, now, this man have wife and children back home. Okay, we don't complete 2. Our husband now don't marry 2 women. One for Nigeria, one for here. Then una go come draw una budget. So okay, my husband dey receive so money like this. Okay, every month maybe they receive 1,000 euro. After una pay una expenses, pay everything, e dey remain that maybe 300 or 500. Okay, inside this 500, every month you go dey send 200 euro or 150 euro go dey give your children and your wife wey dey Nigeria. Una go get that budget. You understand? So if you can cope, you cope. If you cannot cope, better tell the man, no, I cannot cope with this. Let the man go. Because here I said to him, o to anata, ever agimune, adata we no. Who said to him what at that beginning? I not fit for this relationship. Since you get woman for house, since you get children for house, I not fit. You understand? Then wait for your time. God will bring someone for you. That is just it. But if you can cope with the situation, don't complain at last. Don't complain. And number two, is only a coward. Is only a stupid man that will deceive or that will deny his children and wife back home. Is only a stupid man. A real man, forget, even though that kpekus is made of gold, even though that kpekus, even though it's made of everything, as in, if you don't do that kpekus, your life will do, as in, you I don't know how to explain. As if you did not do the kpekus, now maybe you don't sleep with that woman, so you just die. My dear, better die for you to deny those blessings that God have blessed you. Because children are blessings from God. There is nothing too special about kpekus, and there is no difference about kpekus. It determines the way you maintain your body. It determines the way you maintain your kpekus. Some men, they will say, I sleep with this woman, her body make it get as her body be, her body just dey do pro. I sleep with this one, her body tight. I sleep with the other one, her body open. I sleep with the other one. Now so see, let me tell you something. The pains are the woman take care of her body. Now make her body be like that. And depend on how that woman body take, as in how God take create her. Some women, they, even though say they're from January, go sleep with man in December. Anytime you make love with them, their body go still dey kampe, it go still dey tight, everything go still dey okay. But some women, they, even though say they don't make love for just 1 week, their body, because different body, and depend as you take maintain your body, matters a lot. Matters a lot. So there is nothing that will make you to deny your children back home because of one woman here, because of documents, because of the woman used to give you money. They will not deny the blessing that God have blessed you in Nigeria. No, it is not fair. It is very, very wrong for you to deny your kids. It is very, very wrong. Do you understand? And John C. Faith, you said you be woman. You know, say women don't rock life. Women don't rock life. You understand? I rock life before I enter Europe. Before I enter this abroad, I rock life. So if I did talk, I know wetin I dey talk. I'm talking out of experience. Yes, I'm talking out of experience. That is just it. So not be say I be woman. I know what's up. I know what's up. Okay? So message. So as I was saying, guys, let me show you why I dey talk this thing when I dey talk since. Let me show you this video. Let me show you this video real quick. Let me show you this video. Let me show you this video.
You say this your coconut head. You see this your coconut head. Well, what's happening? Weekend. You have to where about weekend is you don't do for waiting. You don't do for waiting, guy. What's waiting? Come for here. God they punish you. You all not too much. At the bush, what I say? At the bush. If you touch my phone. If you touch my phone, I will post anything. I don't care. Okay, you tell your friend that they follow me. You say your friend that they follow me for my Facebook. Do you tell my friend to follow me on my Facebook? I they ask you. All friends of Jerry that is on my Facebook, I will delete this video. When I refuse Jerry, you don't do now. When I refuse Jerry, where they beat me, you don't do. Leave my phone. Leave my fucking phone. Oh, Jerry, friend, when I say, see, like, see, Benny, like, oh, we are back. We met me as well. Why do you? You don't do. Where are you going to? You don't do. Chuvau. Chuvau. Je te dis, Chuvau. C'est toi là. It's you. You didn't send me the shame. Guy, I'm a star girl. I'm not ashamed of myself. As far as I say, I'm not gonna fuck people boyfriend. I'm not gonna fuck people husband. I not snatch anybody fancy boyfriend. He never do. He never do. When I see this boy, oh yeah, I'll tear your shit. I go tear your shit. I will piss this on. I go come here. My purity come here. You are a devil. Don't worry, I know what I'll do for that. You they go my ass. You they go. You they go. Which has some more they go now. You say I play with you. Even this railway they fall, so you dare me with the filter dance, I'll shoot dagger for your belly. Facebook dare me with the filter dance, I'll shoot dagger for your belly. If you enter my house, I will shoot dagger in your stomach. I swear to all my God. Okay, so I know it. Oh, good they kill you. Yes. Don't touch me again. Okay, don't do that. Crazy. I know they touch me. Even though they call me, man, they look out. Even though they call me, oh, that's too much. Come on, get out! Don't touch my fucking body. I said move to that side. If you enter that side, I'll dagger you with something. Even Facebook don't look on. Man, they wash them. I go dagger with knife. I'll say dagger. You share this thing now. Oh, good they kill you. Make the share. I bet man, they share. Man, quick. No, who want to save camera? Because you're all not too much. Benin man where they do Benin woman bad. You're all not too much. All because say you don't marry for Nigeria. Because say you get wife. Oh, good they kill you. You tell me say you love me. You don't tell me say you don't marry for. Oh, good they kill you. Don't touch me. This ray will bear me and you weakness. This ray will bear me and you weakness. Oh, good they kill you. You know if you go my ass, I'll go kill you. I dey tell you.
Una dey hear wetin I dey talk or wetin I dey explain things. You see, you marry for house, you get woman for Nigeria, you get children for Nigeria. As you come here, you find another woman. Explain to her, open up to her. Say, I fit get woman, I fit get children. Then the woman go know. If she want give you chance, she go give you chance. If she want love you, she go love you. And this woman, so I like the way when she take deal with this guy. This one will sound a big lesson to those stupid guys who are out there that will abandon their wife and their children in Nigeria, in Europe here, running after another woman, running after big yash, running after big breaks, and they will be denying their children and their wife. This one, women, I encourage you people, to start doing what this woman did. Any man that come to your life that will deceive you, that will tell you that I never felt married, I never felt born. Anytime you find out, say yes, this woman don't feel born, you don't feel married, give her public disgrace as this woman they give this one public disgrace. So on your live video, the video run on your live video, give her public disgrace. Because if you know they do one like this, if you know they give them public disgrace, they not go stop this nonsense. They will not go stop this nonsense when they do. When they say because of documents, because of say they see big yash, because they see big break, because they see sick bekus will be like this. Bekus in no way, no way. If they just see her, their head will just die put. They go say if I not sleep with this woman, I go die. If I not marry this woman, I go die. Because of that one, they go deny their children, deny their wife, deny everything to get that woman. After they don't get that woman, then that woman can't get to know say this man don't fit get wife, this man don't fit get children. More they give them public disgrace like this. May I continue with the video?
God my house. Today you know say I be Chrisuma. The one was as do. O say I get down as small as young. Devil you mad one they look am. When I look am. Now devil man, wait don't marry. For Nigeria, come about me make a call for her. Because I be baby mama Sherry Abi. Or go.
You hear her? You hear her? You don't born for Nigeria. You not tell this one say you fit get pikin for Nigeria. You come here now, you can't deceive this one. This one can't still born for you. This one not still born for you. It not still rest there. You not say okay, I fit get one for Nigeria. This one it don't still born for me now. Me I still calm my head. You see they follow on that women they go up and down. You see they follow on that women they go up and down. Some men waiting they worry una. They used to say do una say una must sleep with all the women. There are so many single guys out there who are looking for women, who are looking for good women. Because of una when the devil, una don't go deceive all these women finish. It not reach their hand again. It not reach their hand again. You get one for Nigeria, fine. You come Europe, you get another one again. Good. Then you see they leave this one now. Once you go follow on that one again. See they follow on that one again. Waiting they worry some of una. What is wrong with some men? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you guys? Huh? You deceive this one. You deceive her. You give her belly. She born. You not say me you stop there, me you match break, me more not together train picking. You still they come out, go they follow on another guess again. Go they follow on that guess again. Huh? Which time all this nonsense go stop? Which time all this nonsense go stop? When they say una will get woman for house, una see they run they follow on another single mother or another single girl to destroy their life. Which time all this nonsense go stop? Me now they tell all these women. If una notice say that man will deceive una, say the man get woman before, he get children before, una already born for her, but una can't know. Mona give her public disgrace. If you never quick una born for her, Mona still give her public disgrace. Mona still give her public disgrace. That is why me, I use until they proud, I dey knock my chest. If you know say I fit get pikin for house, I fit get woman for house, expose me. Now all my life video now for the talker, expose me. Carry evidence come out. I deal with evidence. Carry evidence come out. Say this guy, he don't fit born for house, he fit get wife for house. If you still know say I don't still born for Europe here, I still get wife for Europe here, expose me. Look my face. This is my face. Expose me. Expose me. It's not easy for a guy to say expose me. Expose me if you know anything. If you know anything about me, expose me. Let us stop this rubbish. Let us stop this nonsense. Let us stop it. God created and say one man, one wife. Even though say you want to marry two wives, make the second one understand. Say yes, I fit get children, I fit get husband, I fit get wife and children for house, I fit get wife and children for Europe here. So, but I want to marry another woman. Again, if she go come green for you, she go green. If she not go green for you, let her go. For you to deceive her. For you to come tell her say, I never felt born, I never felt married, I just love you. At the end, na scam. At the end, now 419 you come. At the end, either now for document or for money. What is wrong? May I play the video?
Anywhere where you go, I'll follow you. You say this my house. Well, now then, now who you want any? Well, now, yeah, so straight away. I must say, where I'm on Facebook, in here, dead away. Because I went track me. People may know me, you don't think you're all too much. I don't take. I said, no, enter my house. Don't enter this fucking place. If not, I'll call police for you. Oh, ballet, no ballet, when I If you come this house, I'll deal with you. I mean, we are wrong. Why they wrong? You don't say you be father of all the old days and then make a make sure. Let me make sure. If you beg me, go kill you. Sorry, nah. Maria go see this video. I don't want to be the sheriff because enough of insult. I'm not insulting. Enough is enough for you. You see this man? What's happened today? What's your Abu be say? Sorry. You can shit on me. What's your Abu be say? You can shit on me. You don't marry for Nigeria. You say, also if you enter my house, also you give if you enter my house. That's what I'll do you. Today not today. Today not today for me and you. Where we went and me atam went and so where we went and me atam where women.
This woman, now God go bless you. This woman when embarrass this man like this. This woman when humiliate this man like this. This woman when do this thing so. Now God go bless you. How many women get mad like this? How many women get mind to tell what this woman do so? Some of una no say una guy or una husband they shit on una, they deceive una. If I get wife and children for us, that man go still come. He will come still tell you, honey, sorry nah, my love, you know I love you so much nah, sorry nah. He go still kiss you, carry you enter bed again, sleep with you. Then you go they laugh. You say, he dey fuck me well. He dey sleep with me well nah. If I can't drive and come out nah, I want to see another man. I beg make I leave her. After all, he deceived me before, but now I don't know. As I know now, me I just sleep beer now. Me I beer, but I made a sleep with all of us. They go. Now so one day he go carry HIV, can't give you for house. One day go carry HIV, can't give you for house. One day go carry Ebola, can't give you for house. One day go carry coronavirus, can't give you for house. He go carry coronavirus, can't give you for house. Because any man or any woman who fit deceive their partner, you know say that man or that woman, he go fit still poison you. You still know say that man or that woman, he go fit still kill you. That is just the truth. Any man or any woman who fit deceive you to marry them or to born for them, then at the end you can't know say this man deceived me. My sister, pack your load and run. My brother, pack your load and run. Because one day, that man or that woman will still kill you. As I just can't be now, one woman you go come deceive me, say, I never felt born, I never felt married. Then I gotta say, okay, the day when I go know, the day when me, and they talk about myself, the day when I go know, that day that marriage is over. That day that relationship is over. I go cancel and I go pack my things, pack everything, I go come up for the house, leave her. Don't deceive anybody to get them to marry you. Don't deceive anybody to get them to born for you. Don't deceive them. Tell them the truth. If you tell them the truth, if they accept you the way you are, fine. If they don't accept you, let them go. There are many fishes in the oceans. There are many fishes in the river. That is just the truth. That is just the truth. You understand? Okay, now, look what this woman talk now. She say, God knows, say, I don't bear too much. God knows, say, I don't tolerate you too much. In how we need all the vom, all the vom, you go come full rich here. Then you come vomit. Before this woman give this man public disgrace, so you know say it don't full here, it don't reach here. You know say it don't reach here. The woman have to vomit and come out before she go die in silence. She have to give the man public disgrace. She have to give the man public disgrace. That is just it. So you as a woman, when don't forget picking, not deny your picking because of any man. You as a man, when don't forget picking, not deny your picking because of any woman. No because is too precious. No toto too precious. No one too precious. All of them are the same. It determines the way the woman take off herself. It determines the way the woman not take useless herself. It determines where the woman take value herself. It determines so. You understand? It determines so. So let's continue.
And then that's so where, guy. Your God, you never say God. If you know God, you cannot do bad.
Which part are you
If you know God, you cannot do bad. Where this say you don't marry, come tell me say.
Okay, wait.
Let's tell you, please give my phone, the guy. Give me my fucking phone. You don't have my phone.
No.
Is it your phone?
Yeah, give me that.
Is it your phone? If you enter this house, I will slap you. If you enter this house,
Go to the street of Europe today. Go to the street of Europe. Go to the street in the whole world today. If women tell you waiting, man when they're born for do them. If women tell you waiting, man, and let me quickly address one issue, really, real quick here. For mother-in-laws, when we say, I want to tell you one thing. If your son, they dates woman, that woman never born for your son. That woman, they give you, the mother-in-law, if they give you money, or if they give your son money, make your son they give you, if they take care of you, if they do everything to make sure you do okay, not forget, say, that thing go stop once the woman don't born for your pikin. Because if the woman don't born for your pikin, the woman don't get responsibility. Maybe if that woman say they go road work, as she don't get belle, she go stop road work. So no expect say that money with the woman they give you that time, it go continue. No, it not fit continue. Because the time when we say she never get belle, the time when we say she feel she get oyibo when we say that they come they touch her, they give her money, she they go road work, she they feed they work, then make she they get all those money. So once she don't get belle, those things don't stop because when she don't carry belle, they go work. So when she have to stay, when she start to the bond, they take off her children. So by that time, those money when the woman they give you as a mother-in-law, those money go cease. So that is why you see some mother-in-law, once that money does cease, that money no they come again. She'll come begin they say, trouble can't come. The woman come they advise her son, make her son go follow on that woman. Because that money no they come again. I don't understand what I try to talk now. Because that money no they come again. But you know say if you knew jam, if you and guy they date, the mother-in-law, you go want me the mother-in-law they okay, make the guy family they okay, make see they assist them, make see they give them, as your power still rich. You understand? But once you don't get belle, those things go stop. So those mother-in-law no dey understand say this woman now difference dey. That time when she never get belle and this time when she don't get belle now difference dey. But they can't use that yarn stick say money wey they come don stop. Say oh if I say this one not get money again, I bet my son wey say do make my son leave her, make he follow on that woman. Some mother they encourage their son to the knack central because say they call habillé bag and shoe. Those are the women when me I they call habillé bag and shoe. Habillé bag and shoe, they're plenty for Europe, they're plenty for Africa. You understand? All the man will be see they will call pikin, they tell her say, me or call her. He never still give you 5,000 euro when he promise you. He never still give you 20,000 euro when she promise you. If she not she give you, leave her and me follow that women. Many women there Europe now. If she not fit give you again, leave her, follow other women. There are some mother like that. There are some mom like that. You understand? So if some women tell you waiting they pass through, why they are single, why they are not with their men, why they are not with their husband, why they are not with their man, man, my sister, you will cry. My brother, you will cry. I hear different story every day. I hear different stories every day. So please, brother, you that is that man, if you don't love that woman, never you deceive that woman to born for you. Never you deceive that woman with anything. And you, sister, if you don't love that man, don't deceive that man in any way. Let the man know, this is who I am. If you don't agree for me, leave me. Better. I know say so many women today, they like deceive. They hate man when they talk truth. Now man when they talk lie, and most of them they look for. That's why they fall victim. That's why they fall victim for all these kind of things. That is just the truth. That is just the truth. So before I leave here today now, I want to beg you, you that guy, you that woman, if you have kids before, let your man know. You that brother, if you have children before, let your woman know. It is very, very important, so that you will not face this kind of public disgrace that this our brother is facing from this woman. You understand? Because if you don't tell them the truth, just wait, say embarrassment go come for front. One day, if the truth come out, they must embarrass you. So not because say the man get money or the man too fine, go deceive her. Not because say the woman get money or the woman get document or the woman too fine, go deceive her. No, it is wrong. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. That is just it. Do the right thing. Tell them the truth. Don't deceive anybody. Don't deceive anyone. So that is just it, guys. I love you all. It's just a short message for today. Thank you.